And these are the wired headphones, the Classic 4 by Linklike. I think they were about $30 on Amazon, and I will put a link below if you think these are cool and might want to buy them. Obviously, I'll have to test what the quality is on them, and it's probably just a simple box opening, hopefully. Maybe. Why am I having such hard time with boxes? Alright. Okay. I give you a little tiny pleather pouch with a little I'm not sure if that's not microfiber. It's just a little cloth inside to help protect it. As always, you and I are probably the same. We'll never use these. It's just gonna be used to store some random junk, probably. And we will open up what I've wanted to open this entire time. That's the headphones. These are the little different sizes of earbuds that they give you. Obviously, the default is a medium size, and there is a user manual. I assume there's some buttons on here that tells you how to change music, hang up the phone, etc., etc. And that's exactly what you get. If I can get to the English part. Yes. Press once to play or pause. Press twice to go to the next track. 3 times the previous track. Press once for answering or hanging up phones. Press and hold for 3 seconds to reject calls, because, you know, sometimes you don't want to talk to the people. And definitely scammers, you know, sometimes you want to mess with them because it's always fun to mess with them, but sometimes you just don't have the time to talk to them. And the way there we go. The cord is roughly, I would say 4 or 5 foot. It's actually the same size as the Duo's charger cord, and it has F.L.U.R for the earbuds, and it's got a little cool design. I'm not sure if those are like coils and the magnet. It might be, I think it's just a magnet with red coating on them, and they're clear, so that's pretty cool. Pretty cool design. Let's see how they feel. So these are not my size. I'm gonna have to go with the larger size. Okay, finally we got it to change to the bigger size. This will fit my ears better, hopefully. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's a lot better. That's 100% better. So if you do get these and you have larger ear holes like me, you know, you need to put on the other ear attachments. But it's so much better with them in because it feels nice and snug. You have this little ear black piece for the ear that tries to prevent the earphones from coming out, and I can't wait to actually test them. Alright, so I am using the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra phone mic right now. This is a comparison test between the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra phone mic versus the Classic 4 by Linklike. We are seeing if there is much difference between the two. And as you see right there, it looks like the headphones and the phone mic are probably about the same. The headphones did seem a little louder. I had both of them at just their bass sound, and the headphones were definitely louder. I don't know if it's because I had them both on and I was just speaking louder, which could be the case. You never know. The Linklike Classic 4, pretty good buy. About, I think it's $34 on Amazon. So there will be a link below for that. And if you are like me and you don't like wireless headphones, go out and get yourself a pair. Anyways, guys, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.